calling you out right now. Tell me who asked him.
Yeah, you're a liar right now.
Who's asked him?
And if he jumps from the topic, San Diego Zoo is right here. I'm gonna put you with the monkey right there, because that's what you're doing. They're jumping around here like that. Okay. So my question is very simple. Okay. Does your God have body parts? Yes or no? Simple question, bud. Simple question.
You asked your question.
You're just going round and round, and I'm gonna put you in a in the zoo with you here.
Haleluya, haleluya. Shalom alaikum bishim habasiyah. Salam Aki. Aku kabarkan Injil keselamatan. Bapak Ibu dan Tuhan, ketemu lagi dengan saya Evangelis Avraham Effendi Usman. Bagaimana kabar Bapak Ibu semua? Tentu luar biasa. Nah saudaraku, sebelumnya saya ingin membacakan satu firman Tuhan kepada kita semuanya di dalam 1 Petrus 3 ayat yang ke-15. Tetapi kuduskanlah Kristus di dalam hatimu sebagai Tuhan, dan siap sedialah pada segala waktu untuk memberi pertanggungan jawab kepada tiap-tiap orang yang meminta pertanggungan jawab dari kamu tentang pengharapan yang ada padamu, tetapi haruslah dengan lemah lembut dan penuh dengan hormat. Sementara kita ketahui zaman sekarang ini adalah zaman internet. Banyak orang memakai internet, media sosial untuk berdakwah. Begitu juga kita memakai media sosial untuk memberitakan Injil, memberitakan firman Tuhan, dan menjawab dengan lemah lembut setiap pertanyaan yang mereka ajukan tentang iman kekristenan. Bahkan mereka tidak segan-segan menghina, mengolok-ngolok iman kekristenan Bapak Ibu. Dimanapun kadrun itu selalu menghina dan mengolok-ngolok, merasa menang sendiri. Mereka merasa sudah mendapatkan kunci surga, ahli surga. Padahal ketika ditanyakan, yakinkah Anda masuk surga? Tidak yakin. Moga-moga, mudah-mudahan ya, kalau Tuhan berkehendak maka Tuhan akan memberikan surga kepada kita. Ketika ditanyakan, mereka tidak yakin masuk surga. Satu pun di antara mereka tidak ada yang yakin masuk surga. Tetapi Bapak Ibu, dengan begitu sombong, mereka mempertanyakan iman percaya kita kepada Yesus, mengolok-ngolok iman kita, menghina iman kita, bahkan iman orang di luar agama mereka. Tidak sungkan-sungkan mereka hina, olok-olok, bahkan mereka remehkan Bapak Ibu. Seolah-olah seperti yang saya katakan tadi, bahwa mereka sudah ahli surga. Padahal ketika kita tanyakan, masih merawang-rawang, masih meraba-raba, masih belum yakin tentang kepastian keselamatan menuju ke surga, menuju ke Firdaus. Maka jawabannya selalu ya moga-moga, ya kalau Tuhan izinkan nanti, ya kalau Tuhan senang, ya bla 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 bla, ujungnya neraka. Nah sementara jelas kita mendapatkan ditetapkan masuk neraka. Wa in minkum illa wariduha kana ala rabbika hatman maqdiyan. Semua orang di antara kamu akan mendatangi neraka. Hal itu bagi Tuhanmu suatu kemestian yang sudah ditetapkan. Ya, ditetapkan masuk neraka. Kepastian itu mutlak, ya, mutlak, pasti masuk neraka. Yang menetapkan siapa? Ya, Tuhan. Di mana Anda dapatkan dalam surat Maryam 19 ayat 71. Tidak ada orang yang bisa melawan ketentuan Tuhan. Ya, kemana orangnya? Ya, pasti ke neraka. Yang namanya manusia pasti maut, neraka. Karena itu tertulis dengan begitu jelas. Nah, kepastian neraka itu ada. Tetapi kepastian untuk mendapatkan surga belum tentu. Maka banyak orang ketika kita tanyakan, moga-moga, ya mudah-mudahan. Saudaraku, kali ini saya mengajak kita semuanya untuk melihat sebuah cuplikan video di mana terjadi diskusi antara misionaris dengan pendakwah. Jangan skip karena ini sangat penting bagi kita semuanya. Perhatikan baik-baik karena ini sangat membuat iman kita semakin kuat di dalam Tuhan. Apapun kata dunia, di dalam 1 Petrus 3:15, kita wajib mempertanggungjawabkan iman kita kepada mereka yang meminta atau mereka menanyakan iman kita kepada Yesus Kristus. Jawab dengan lemah lembut, rendah hati, tanpa perlu membalas hinaan, cacian, makian mereka. Selamat menyaksikan.
Calling you out right now. Tell me who asked him.
Yeah, you're a liar right now.
Who's asked him?
And if he jumps from the topic, San Diego Zoo is right here. I'm gonna put you with the monkey right there, because that's what you're doing. They're jumping around here like that. Okay. So my question is very simple. Okay. Does your God have body parts? Yes or no? Simple question, bud. Simple question.
You asked your question.
You're just going round and round, and I'm gonna put you in a in the zoo with you here.
again now. Okay?
No.
You're listening?
Does he
You're
have
listening?
body part? Yes or no?
The answer to that question is,
does he
Allah
have
has
body part?
sifat that are unique to
يَوْمَ
him.
يَكْشَفُونَ
That's the answer.
إِنْ Quran chapter 68 verse 42.
Wait, what?
Yes.
Say it again.
Go listen in your video again,
You're
okay?
yelling. Calm down.
Because there's a bike going on and I want to make
Calm
sure.
down. Wait till they leave. Go ahead.
Well, I'm not going to calm down because you're not letting me calm
Because
down.
you won't let me answer.
Yeah, you don't
Okay.
know what Allah is. I'm
Allah
going to explain
has
you who your
sifat.
God is, okay? I'm
gonna
gonna
explain to me.
Yes, I'm going to let you know who your
And
God
then you're
is.
going to tell me who Asim is after that.
I will tell you everything.
You won't.
I want to tell you who
Go
God
ahead.
is, okay?
Okay,
Who
go
your
ahead.
God is. You
And
said
after
your
that,
God
you're
has a
gonna tell me who
sifat.
Asim is. Go ahead.
Okay, does your God have a body part?
You were telling me, right? So
I'm going to ask you a question again and again.
You said
all over
you were
again.
gonna explain
But
it.
you're
Go
just
ahead.
going like jumping around here and there, okay?
Gotcha.
Don't beat about the bush.
No bush.
Does your God have a body part?
I'm going to explain it to you again. Okay?
Oh my God, I don't need explanation.
No, you want to
Tell me yes or no.
It's not a yes or no question. Allah
My friend, does your God have a body part?
No. Allah has sifat
Allah has
that
sifat.
He has told us about.
I'm asking
He do not
you,
make
wait.
them like that of the humans. You understand?
I'm asking you the way to Afghanistan and you're telling me the way to California.
I gave you a straight answer. You're not listening.
I ask you the
Allah
way
has.
to Afghanistan
Allah
and you're
has.
telling me the way to California.
You don't know Afghanistan or California.
That's what,
Allah
because
has
you don't know
sifat.
anything.
He has a yad.
You don't
He
know.
has a wajh. He has saqain. He has aynain. That He has told us about in the Quran.
Does he have a
And
body
the
part?
qalb, the lisan.
Does he have a body part? Yes.
Yes.
So he does not have a body part?
That they are Allah's sifat.
So he does not have a body
according to
part?
what He has told.
Does he have a body part?
No, that's my answer. Now who asked him?
Does Allah have body parts? Yes
Till
or no?
today, nobody has told us who asked him. He's
Okay.
a liar. And if
And
he's
he's,
not a liar,
and he's
tell us
ignorant
why.
about his God
Okay,
because he
tell
doesn't know if
tell
his
me
God has
about
a
my
body.
God. Tell
So
me about
your
my
God doesn't have a body
And
part,
then tell
right?
me who asked him is.
So
Okay,
your
go
God
ahead.
doesn't know what
Tell
the
me.
body.
You tell me about my God. Go ahead.
So you don't know your God, right?
I know my God and I've
No,
told
you-
you about
no,
it.
you don't
go
know.
ahead. You go ahead.
So tell me if he has a body
You go
part.
ahead.
Yes or
You're
no?
just hiding from answering
So
who
he
asked
doesn't
him.
have a body part?
You're just hiding.
Because you have no
Just
idea
tell
who
me
your
one
God
thing.
is. You
I
have no idea
answered.
who your God
Tell
is.
me who's asked him.
I have sifat too. That
You're a
means
liar.
I am Allah.
No, your sifat are yours, Allah's sifat are His.
So
That's why Allah is unique.
if you're saying that
Answer,
the
right
only
there.
sifat he has is
Sifat?
means he's ahad.
No, I did not say that. I said Allah has sifat like what?
My
Like
question
yad.
is so
What
simple,
wajh mean?
man.
What does wajh
My
mean?
question is very simple.
Go ahead.
What is if Allah has body parts or not? Just tell me that.
If I answer that, will you tell me who Asim is?
I will tell you, but I'm
if I
asking
just
you like 10 times.
Okay.
I asked you, does Allah have body parts? Yes or no?
I will give you my answer, and then you swear to me you'll tell me who Asim is.
I will tell you. I will tell you, okay? My question is very simple.
has.
No, don't send me sifat and all that.
That is
No. Does Allah have body
sifat.
parts?
Let me explain it again.
You don't know your
Let
God?
me explain.
Just say I don't know
you
my
want
God.
my answer? Let me speak.
A person. Okay.
Let me explain.
Uthman,
Let
listen
me
to
explain. Let me
Uthman,
explain. Let me
hold on.
answer.
Uthman,
You don't want my answer.
Uthman,
He's not letting me
if
speak.
I'm asking, Uthman, if I'm talking,
No, he wants to put an answer in my
Uthman.
mouth. I'm not gonna let him.
Uthman, you gotta hear me out.
Answer.
Hear me out,
I'm
Uthman.
listening.
Hear me out.
Go ahead.
Just relax yourself. Okay?
I'm relaxed.
No, you're not. You're just shouting on top of your
Go
throat. Hold on. If I am talking to a Satanist, okay, and I ask him, hey, who is your God? He's just gonna say, my God is one, okay? And he's just gonna say that I follow, and my God has sifat. He's gonna say the same thing.
No,
I
no
follow-
Satanist says his God is sifat. Find me a Satanist that says that.
I'm telling you,
You're
this is
lying
what this
again.
is.
Satanists
So you don't know.
believe in sifat?
I'm telling you,
What are you
people,
talking about?
they do. They say
Satanists
that
believe in
Satan,
sifat?
they say that Satan has his own
Satan
sifat.
has sifat?
Everybody has
What is the
sifat.
sifat of Satan?
My question is very simple.
liars
Does your God have body parts? Yes or no? Simple question, bud. Simple question.
asked your question?
You're just going
I
round
will-
and round,
You want me
and
to
I'm going to
respond
put you in a zoo with you.
Look,
okay?
you go stand out with your pig. Let me answer.
Oh, yeah, you go ahead. You go ahead.
Now let me speak. Let me speak.
Go ahead. Don't
When
tell
you-
me you have
when
sifat and
you
don't go in
think-
circles, okay?
This guy. When you're talking about bodies like human bodies,
Yeah.
this is a sifat of people.
Okay.
Allah's sifat are ula, these are above. Meaning Allah has sifat.
Now
He
you're
has-
talking,
He
okay?
has
30 minutes for you to take this question.
I said that
Now
earlier.
you're talking,
I've
okay.
been saying that
Go
on
ahead.
video.
No, you're not,
Allah
you're not.
has sifat.
Okay.
And his yad,
Okay.
his wajh, is unique to him. We believe he has a yad. You know
Okay.
what a yad is?
Go ahead.
What is
Keep
a yad?
talking. Keep
What is
talking.
a yad?
Don't question.
You don't know.
Just talk.
Okay. He
You
has
don't
a
know
wajh. He has whatever he has described himself with, we believe in it as he said it.
Okay.
But we do not equate it to human body parts.
Okay.
Understand?
So he does not have a human body part?
He has no human body part. That is correct.
Okay. So does he have a leg?
He has a shop that is in accordance to what is befitting him, not a human body part.
So he has a leg.
He has no human leg.
But he has a leg.
Again, he has what is described as a shop, as you can.
So he has a
translate,
leg, right?
But in befitting his
Like,
honor and
So
majesty,
he has a leg, right?
in a way that befits his honor and majesty.
Which verse is that which says that Allah has a leg? Do you know?
I will give you all of the ayat of all of the sifat.
Tell me right
No
now.
problem. I don't know right now.
You don't know? I will tell you. Quran chapter 68 verse 40.
Go ahead.
Okay, it says, يَوْمَ شَكْشَفٌ أَنْ سَاكِينَ. That Allah has a... It means the leg.
It does not mean leg.
It means leg, yes.
That is not the Arabic
You're
word.
the only one who's saying that.
No shock. It
Shaq
means
means the shin. Yes.
Shin, not leg.
My friend, shin is this, part of the leg.
No,
What are you
leg is
talking
more
about?
than just the shin.
My.
Come
Come on, Usman. You gotta teach. I'm gonna teach you English now, right?
No,
Huh?
I'm going to teach you English because shin and leg are not the
Okay,
same
so
thing.
it
Go
took you
ahead.
30 minutes to tell me that your
I
God has a
told you
shin,
that
right?
No, I told you at the beginning Allah has sifat. I mentioned the yad, the wad,
And
shaq,
you also
and
know
we
when,
believe in them.
and you also know when Allah is going to put his leg into the fire, hellfire, and the fire is going to say katti katti, right?
Shaq is not mentioned in that.
Okay, but the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
But the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
But the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
But the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
But the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
But the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
But the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
But the leg
Go
is
ahead.
mentioned.
The foot is mentioned.
So foot is attached to the shaq.
In a
Now
way-
my question is very simple.
Go ahead.
When the foot is attached to the shaq of Allah, which is the shin of Allah, is the shin attached to Allah's butt or Allah's tummy or where is it? My question. Na'udhu but I need an answer.
Okay, I will
Don't say
answer.
na'udhu
I will
billah.
answer.
Yeah, go ahead.
And then you can tell me what happened.
I will tell you, but I need to know
okay,
if
no,
you
I'm
know
gonna
you're
answer
God or
this
not.
last thing,
It took you
and
30
then
minutes to
can
tell
answer
you.
It's been an hour and you won't tell me what
Yeah,
happened.
it's been an hour for you to tell me
Liar,
if
that's
Allah
right.
has a body part. Go ahead.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sifat that befit his honor. We do not make it like a chart where the leg bone attacks to this bone and that bone. Whatever Allah said about himself, we believe in it in a way that befits his majesty. We
So-
cannot say this means that it's going to connect to this like the human
So he
body.
has-
He has sifat.
Why
that are
would he
unique to
need?
him.
Why would he need a leg
He
or a
doesn't
foot?
need
Does he
anything,
need to walk?
subhanahu
Does he need to play football?
He does not need anything, subhanahu wa ta'ala.
But why does you just said he has a shaq?
Because he said he did.
So why does he need that?
He does not need anything. That is who he is.
Well, I
Allah
have
said so.
I have
No,
a leg.
no.
I have a shaq
No.
because I use it.
No.
I have a foot. I walk with
No.
it.
Who's asking?
I can
Okay.
kick footballs
Okay.
with it,
Who's
right?
asking?
Why does Allah
Who's
have
asking?
a leg? You
Who's
just
asking?
this is the biggest
see
thing
that?
you said
When I
that
answer
Allah
him-
has a shaq.
when I answer him,
Why
who's
does
asking?
Allah have a shaq?
Tell
That's the main
your buddy, who's
question.
asking?
Why does
Who's
Allah have a
asking?
why?
I have answered your question. Who's Asim?
Why does Allah have a shaq?
Who's Asim? You
Why
see this?
does Allah have a shaq?
He said on tape that he was going
Why?
to answer me
So
after that.
Asim
No,
is more
who's
important
Asim?
than Allah,
Who's
right?
Asim?
Does Allah have
You're
a
a
shaq?
liar.
You are a liar. You don't know
Who's
who Allah
Asim?
is.
Who's Asim?
You don't know who Allah is.
Who's Asim?
You don't know
I
who
told
Allah
you
is.
Allah is.
No, you don't know Allah is. Right? That's it. That's it. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away.
Haleluya. Bagaimana tanggapan saudara semuanya setelah melihat cuplikan video tadi? Ternyata saudara, di mana-mana kadrun itu selalu ada. Ayat apa yang diminta, dikeluarkan ayat yang mana. Lalu ditafsirkanlah menurut udelnya mereka. Biasa saudara, mereka suka sekali dengan hal yang tutup kurung, buka kurung, buka kurung, tutup kurung. Artinya, mereka sendiri yang menambahkan dan yang mengurangi. Yang tidak ada, diada-adakan dengan penafsiran menurut pemikiran orang yang mentafsirkan. Nah, saudaraku para pencinta channel Injil Habaget, benar sekali seperti saya membaca di kolom komentar kemarin bahwa kadrun itu di mana-mana ada, selalu ada. Mau di bangsa dan negara kita, jelas sangat banyak Bapak Ibu ya, dan juga negara-negara barat. Banyak sekali kadrun. Ketika ditanyakan ini, dijawab ono. Seperti yang tadi kita lihat, Anda ini sangat lucu katanya. Saya meminta kepada Anda untuk menunjukkan jalan menuju ke Amerika, tetapi Anda menunjukkan jalan kepada saya menuju ke Irak. Ya jelas, saya tidak akan sampai ke Amerika. Begitu juga sebaliknya, ke Irak pun belum tentu saya sampai. Kenapa? Karena Anda juga belum pernah ke Irak. Anda hanya meraba-raba, Anda hanya mendengar, yang akhirnya tersesat di jalan. Ya tentunya, karena di Irak sering konflik, artinya saya mati di jalan. Bapak Ibu, begitulah kira-kira hal menuju ke surga. Jangan pernah Anda mengikut pribadi yang tidak pernah tahu jalan ke surga. Jangan pernah saudara ikuti orang yang tidak pernah sama sekali tahu mengenai surga. Dia hanya meraba-raba, menerka-nerka, menafsirkan jalan menuju ke surga begini. Akhirnya orang berbondong-bondong menuju ke situ tanpa disadari di depannya itu ada jurang, dan di bawah jurang itu ada api yang menyala-nyala. Disangka oleh banyak orang jalan itu menuju ke surga, padahal jalan tersebut menuju kepada maut, neraka. Baik saudaraku, kiranya cuplikan video tadi, diskusi tadi bisa memberikan pencerahan kepada kita, bisa menguatkan iman percaya kita kepada Yeshua HaMashiach. Dan sangat kita sayangkan banyak di antara teman-teman kita yang belum beriman percaya kepada Yesus. Padahal sangat jelas siapa pribadi Yesus, dari mana datang dia, dan dia satu-satunya pribadi yang bisa membawa kita ke surga. Orang enggan datang kepada Yesus karena sudah dibutakan oleh ilah bangsa-bangsa. Ketika telinganya dibutakan, hatinya dibutakan, pendengarannya dibutakan, mata rohaninya dibutakan, mereka tidak akan bisa melihat kebenaran. Ya, justru kita sering melihat di media sosial mereka mengolok-ngolok akan kebenaran itu sendiri. Assalamualaikum Bishim HaMashiach, salam Aki. Aku kabarkan Injil keselamatan. Bapak Yahweh Bishim Adonai Yeshua HaMashiach, Beruah HaKodesh memberkati kita semua. Haleluya, amin. Salam Murtadin. Saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Bapak Ibu yang selalu mendukung pelayanan Habaget, baik melalui doa, dana, motivasi maupun support saudara. Terus pulang doa dan bawa Habaget dalam doa syafaat saudara, agar melalui pelayanan kita, baik di media sosial maupun di website saudaraku, orang-orang yang belum mengenal kebenaran, orang-orang yang lapar dan haus akan kebenaran firman Tuhan, mereka bisa menemukan jalan Shiratal Mustaqim, jalan menuju ke surga, yaitu Yeshua HaMashiach. Terima kasih.